Make a wish.
Yeah, gotta make a wish.
Okay.
What's your wish?
Don't tell it. Go.
These are the trick ones.
Woo!
That was beautiful.
Really?
Shall I get them out? Okay, Paul, pop that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're talking. Hey, well done.
What was it in that movie? It was La Cage aux Folles. Every time they popped the champagne, woo! He was supposed to look masculine. Remember that? He popped the champagne. No, Dad, you gotta look masculine. How can you pop? How do men pop champagne?
La Cage aux Folles. I saw it in Dubrovnik.
I saw the original one.
I thought the
not
French one was better.
Yeah, it was. But he did the same thing. Woo! Every time he popped the champagne.
All right.